Want to identify objects in screenshots on iOS 26? Here's how in 1 minute. Step 1. Open Photos and tap the screenshot you want to analyze. Tap the detection icon at the bottom, a small bounding box with sparkles. iOS highlights detected objects with animated outlines and labels. Watch for callouts. Pinch to zoom into any detected area for a closer view and clearer results. Use short animated overlays to scrub through similar detections and refine selection. Tap a label to reveal actions like copy, lookup, or share for that object. Press and hold for quick copy or drag the info into another app. Adjust detection settings in Photos if you want filters or more precise results. If a detection is wrong, tap Report to improve Apple's model over time. Recap: open a screenshot, tap Detect, zoom, then choose an action or report. Try it now on iOS 26. Subscribe for more tips and share what you discover.